Mobile Carts LED UV Dry LED UV Curing Equipment working for wood floors. Hard Lax Oil LED UV coats paints varnishes quickly. Dry UV Pure Hardwood Floor Refinishing quick work. Dry UV NK paint coatings and glues in a fraction of a second. We are China manufacturer focused on LED UV curing equipment manufacturing with over 20 years experience skilled team. We accept customizing LED UV curing system, good quantity products and customers 100% satisfaction are our business target. You are welcome to come over for visits of factory at any time. This trolley LED UV curing machine with a radiation AWCM2, irradiation size 500mm, are customized by one of our customers. Very convenient and quickly drying advantages are warmly welcomed by most people who working in home decorating field.